Hey everyone, if you've ever wanted to show off your Power BI dashboards on a big screen, maybe in your office, a meeting room, or even your living room, but weren't sure how to make it look smooth and professional, this tutorial is definitely for you. Today I'm going to show you how to effortlessly display your Power BI dashboards on any TV using Power BI Slider. By the end of this video, you'll have your dashboards rotating neatly on the big screen, making your data presentations not only automatic but truly impressive. Let's dive in first. Let's start by heading over to the Power BI Slider website. Just open up your preferred web browser, Chrome, Edge, whatever works, and type in powerbislider.com. This is where all the magic happens. Power BI Slider is a super handy online tool that takes care of the display heavy lifting, so you don't have to do any screen recording, fiddling with browser tabs, or technical wrangling. Once you're on the site, look for the button that says Sign in with Microsoft. Go ahead and click that. Now you'll need to grant permissions for Power BI Slider to access your Power BI account. This is a standard step, and it's important because the tool needs to pull the dashboards and reports you want to show on your TV. A permissions prompt will pop up. Don't worry, this is normal, and it might look a little intimidating if you're not used to these prompts. Carefully read through what it's asking, then click Accept. If you've used Power BI Slider before, you might not see this request again, but for first-timers, it's an essential step. Once you're signed in and have accepted the permissions, you'll be taken straight to your workspace. Now, think of your workspace like your very own cloud storage area for all your Power BI projects and reports. Click My Workspace. It should be visible right there on the sidebar or at the top. As soon as you click it, Power BI Slider will automatically pull in all your available Power BI projects. This might take a few moments, depending on how many reports you have, so don't worry if you have to wait a second or two. Take a look at the list of your projects and find the dashboard or report you want to display on your TV. Click on it and you'll jump into the specific settings for that project. This is where you can tailor how your dashboards will rotate or present on the TV screen. At the top, you'll see an option called Presentation Settings. Give that a click. Here, where things get interesting, you'll see a couple of controls. There's a refresh interval, which is basically how often you want your dashboard to update automatically. This is great if your data changes frequently and you want your audience to see the freshest numbers. Below that, you can choose which report page to include in the loop and set the duration each slide or dashboard stays visible before switching to the next. Don't be afraid to experiment here. A few seconds per page might be fine for quick updates, but if you want people to absorb the data, maybe bump up that time. Once you're happy with the setup, hit Save and Start. That's it. Your selected dashboard will now display and cycle according to your settings, perfect for any TV or display with a web browser. And there you have it, a super simple, powerful way to keep your data front and center effortlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know down in the comments if you have any questions or run into any issues. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical Power BI tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.